So you are in the outback, which has lots of ways to be described. You're out in the nulla nulla. You're out in the bush. You're out in the
Back and beyond.
On country.
all of that. You're out in the mulga. George, you are standing between two mulga trees.
Am I?
So this one here and this one here are, so there's a broad range, so they're an acacia. Now where you come from, you got heaps of eucalypts. Here we've got far fewer species of eucalypts. An example of which of these river red, that's a young river red gum right behind us there. One of my favourite plants on this property is the hand of God is upon us, and that tree there has the 5 fingers
Oh, it's beautiful.
of the grafted. It's a
God-
natural.
God
it's a
did
natural plant. Yeah, God. Welcome to the mulga. That's what we're talking about when we talk about the mulga. These trees. Now these trees don't have leaves; they have phyllodes, and that's a good way to. And some of the trees, some of the acacias here have phyllodes and some of them have leaves.
How old?
I'm 63, but don't tell anyone.